dear students. I am taking question number 8 from exercise 811 NCERT 10th standard. So I am giving a solution. If cot A 3 cot A equal to 4. So cot A equal to 4 upon 3. It means base over perpendicular. Make a right angle triangle. A, B, C, in which angle be 90 degree, base equal to 4 and perpendicular equal to 3. In right angle triangle, ABC by PGT, H square equal to P square plus B square. H square equal to 3 square plus 4 square. Implies that H square equal to 9 plus 16. Implies that H square equal to 25. Implies that H equal to under root 25 equal to 5. Therefore, tan A perpendicular over base. It means 3 upon 4. Sin A perpendicular over hypotenuse 3 upon 5. H equal to 5. Write down in a notebook. I am giving a few seconds to you. Cos A base over hypotenuse equal to 4 upon 5. Check. 1 minus tan square A 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. 1 minus tan A 3 upon 4 whole square over 1 plus equal to cos A 4 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 square. One minus implies that 1 minus 9 upon 16 over 1 plus 9 upon 16 equal to 16 upon 25 minus 9 upon 25. Implies that 16 minus 9 upon 16, 16 plus 9 upon 16 equal to 25, 16 minus 9. Cancel out. 16 9 7 upon 25, 7 upon 25. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. So it is the right solution. It is the checking. So now I will attend question number 9 of exercise 8.1. Now I am attending question number 9 of exercise 8.1 NCERT 10th standard. I am giving a solution. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, make a right angle triangle. A, B, C, it has a 90 degree. Tan A equal to 1 upon under root 3. It means perpendicular over base. It means perpendicular is 1 and base is under root 3. I have put in a question mark. In right angle triangle ABC, H square, P square, B square. H square equal to 1 square under root 3 square implies that H square equal to 1 plus 3 implies that H square 4 implies that under root 4 implies that H equal to 2. It means hypotenuse equal to 2. Now sin A perpendicular over hypotenuse 1 upon 2 cos A base over hypotenuse and root 3 by 2 sin C perpendicular over hypotenuse. This angle, it is the perpendicular under root 3 upon 2 cos C base over hypotenuse equal to 1 upon 2. Now we have to calculate first part. So write I am giving a few seconds to you. First part, sin A cos C cos A sin C. The value of sin A equal to 1 upon 2 into cos C 1 upon 2 plus cos A under root 3 upon 2 into sin C under root 3 upon 2 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 4 upon 4 cancel out equal to 1. Now second part, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A value under root 3 upon 2 into cos C 1 upon 2 minus sin A 1 upon 2 into sin C under root 3 upon 2 equal to under root 3 upon 4 minus under root 3 upon 4 cancel out equal to 0. It is the answer. So I will attend question number 10. Now I am attending question number 9 of question number 10 of NCERT 10th standard. I am giving a solution. Make a triangle PQR right angled at Q. PR plus QR. PR plus QR equal to 25 centimeter. Let QR equal to X centimeter. Therefore, PR plus X equal to 25 centimeter. Therefore, PR equal to 25 minus X centimeter. So it is the 25 minus X centimeter and PQ 5 centimeter. In right angle triangle PQR by PGT H square equal to P square plus B square. So hypotenuse 25 minus X raised to power 2 X square plus X square, it is the base, it is the P, it is the H. X square plus 5 square implies that 25 square minus 2 into 25 into X plus X square equal to X square plus 25. Cancel out. Implies that 625 minus 50x equal to 25. Implies that 50x equal to 625 minus 25 equal to 50x equal to 600. So note it down in the notebook. I am giving few seconds. Therefore, x equal to 600 upon 50. Cancel out 12 centimeter. Therefore, P equal to 25 centimeter and hypotenuse equal to 25 minus 12 equal to 13 centimeter. And base equal to 5 centimeter. Now we have to calculate sin P. Sin P equal to perpendicular hypotenuse equal to perpendicular equal to 12 centimeter. So perpendicular 12 upon 13. Cos P base over hypotenuse 5 upon 13. Tan P perpendicular over base 12 upon 5. It is the right answer. So now I am attending question number 11 of NCERT 10th standard exercise 8.1. Now I am giving a solution of question number 11 of exercise 8.1 NCERT 10th standard. I am giving a solution. First of all, make a table of 10 angle or 10 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree or 90 degree. 10 0 degree 0, 10 30 1 upon under root 3, 10 45 1 cot 30, 10 60 under root 3, 10 90 infinite. It means not defined. From the above table, we can consider 10 0 0, 10 30 1 upon under root 3, 10 45 1, 10 60 under root 3, 10 90 not defined. इसका मतलब it means if angle is increasing, then the value of tan A is also increasing. But in question the value of tan A is always less than 1. So it is false statement. It is right answer. So it is the first part solution. Now I am attending second part of question number 11 of NCERT is 10th standard exercise 8.1. I am giving a solution. Sec A 12 upon 5. But you know that sec theta equal to hypotenuse over base. It means hypotenuse is 12 and base is 5. It means in right angle triangle hypotenuse always greater than perpendicular and hypotenuse always greater than base. So therefore it is true. Okay. Now I am attending third part of question number 11. Now I am attending question number 11, third part of exercise 8.1 NCERT 10th standard. I am giving a solution. Cos A is the abbreviation used for the cos A is the abbreviation cosine A. So it is false. Now I am attending fourth part of question number 11th. Now I am giving a solution of question number 11 fourth part exercise 8.1. So I am giving a solution. Cot A is the product of cot and A. So it is the angle or it is the trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratios. So it is not possible. Therefore, it is false. Now I am attending fifth part of question number 11 of exercise 8.1. Now I am attending question number 11 fifth part of exercise 8.1 NCERT 10th standard. I am giving a solution sin theta 4/3. But as you know, sin theta equal to perpendicular hypotenuse. Therefore, perpendicular is 4 and hypotenuse equal to 3. But in right angle triangle, right angled triangle, hypotenuse is greater than perpendicular. So it is not possible. Therefore, it is false statement. Now, I will attend next exercise in the next lecture.